Create an Omegle account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new guide video of how to guide. If you're interested in Omegle and want to start chatting with strangers, then let me show you the quick process of it. First things first, open up your web browser and you can search for omegle.com. Once you search for it, it's gonna straight take you to the website of Omegle. Now to start using Omegle, you do not need to create an account. Omegle can be directly used without having an account. Once you're on this home screen, you can see there are two buttons which says start a chat or a video. If you tap on start a chat, you're gonna start chatting with a random stranger, and if you tap on the video call, your video and their video will also be visible, which is a video call. Other than this, you can also add in interests. If you want to match up with people with similar interests, you can type in your interest in this box. It says optional, but if you want to get added or talk to strangers with similar interests, you can add that in. So that is the way that you can use Omegle, and you do not need to create an account of it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily uploads that we do. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.